Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? I hope all of you fine. I am your science teacher, and today we are going to start our new topic, the animal world. Our topic is animals on land. Before starting our topic, first of all, I will tell you the objective of topic. At the end of the period, students should be able to understand that animals come in different shapes, color and sizes. List some animals that live on land. Student will be able to complete the worksheet of this related topic. Now we come on topic. Do you know, dear student, animals are all around us. Here you look some animals picture. There are many different types of animals in the world. They have different shapes, sizes and colors. Some animals are slower, some are faster. Most of land animals legs which help them to move. Most animals have hair or fur to keep them warm when they get cold on land. Animals live in different places. There are 3 types of animals based on live. Types of animals. Number 1, land animals, water animals, air animals. Today we talk about land animals. They live most of their lives on land. They use legs for walk, run, crawl, climb and jump. They breathe air using their lungs. There are some examples of land animal. Number 1, lion. Who is this animal? Yes, this is lion. And do you know, lion is as the king of the jungle. Its color is yellow brown. Tiger. This is a tiger. The tiger belongs to the cat families. It looks like a big cat. The color of tiger is yellowish orange. Cat. Cat is one of the popular pet. They are very friendly and playful with people. And I know most of children like this pet animal and keep it home. Horse. Horse is a tall and strong animal. It runs very fast. Which animal is this? Elephant. Yes, this is an elephant. An elephant is the biggest animal. It has a huge body and a big trunk. It has 2 big teeth and ears. An elephant loves to eat leaves and fruit, especially banana. Bear. Bear is a large animal and they are mostly found in cold areas. Giraffe. This is a giraffe. The giraffe is the tallest animal in the world. It has a long neck and a short tail. It has 2 short horns. The giraffe loves to eat leaves and fruits. Okay, students. Now I am sure you all understand. Animals have different colors, shape, and sizes, and they look different to each other. Do you know, student, which land animal is slower? Snail or tortoise? Which animal is slower? Yes, the snail is slow. Now, dear students, open your workbook, page number 7, and complete this exercise with me. First of all, we fill blanks using words given below, then match picture with sentences. Okay, now we read words below. First letter is slow, second curly, third big, fourth fast, fifth soft, sixth small. Okay. Do you see, students? Each blanks have first letter is written already. First sentences. It's dash and dash. Now we look below and take word which start is S. Slow, curly, big, fast, soft, small. We take words soft. S is written already. We put OFT. Soft. And second blank, C is written already. Now we look below. Which word is start C? Slow, cuddly. Second word is start with C. CUDDLY. C is written already. We put here UDDLY, cuddly. Now we read this sentence. It's soft and cuddly. Second word, it's dash and has dash eyes. F is written. We look below. Which word is start F? Fast. We take AST. Fast. 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 And second word is B. Now we look. Which word is start B? Big. We put here IG. B is written already. BIG, big. It's fast and has big eyes. Now we come on third sentence. It's S is written dash and S is written dash. Now we look below. First letter is slow. We take LOW and put blanks. It's slow and S is written already. We again look which word is start S. Small. We put here MALL. It's slow and small. Now we complete our sentences. Now we match these sentences with picture. First sentence, it's soft and curly. This sentence we match with bear. Second sentence, it's fast and has big eyes. This sentence we match with horse. Last picture. Third sentence, it's slow and small. This sentence we match with first picture, snail. Now we complete our work. Now we come on home task. Dear students, complete workbook page number 8 and draw land animal on book page number 13. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.